Hey everyone, welcome to Sunday Sessions. This is where I teach you about things that I've learned over the years that can be quite helpful and save you a lot of time. Today we're going to be talking about how you can batch edit your pictures in Lightroom. As you can see here, we've got some pictures that I've taken at Finsbury Park of Don Broker and Biffy Clyro the other week. They're all looking a bit flat. This is because none of them are edited apart from the third one in from the left. This has got some basic edits on it, and this is going to be my template for the rest of the pictures. Once you've got your template, you want to head down to the bottom where it says copy edit settings, or you can press Ctrl C, or you can click this cog. This allows you to copy all the individual settings that you would like. Typically I find this helpful for things like exposure or shadows, highlights, and then it gives you a baseline of how to edit the rest of your pictures. You then want to go to the bottom left and click on photo grid or square grid. This is where all of your photos from the album are, and you want to highlight all of them. You can do this by using shift and left click, or you can press Ctrl A on the whole screen, and this will highlight them with a white border. Once you've done this, you want to hit Ctrl V, or again, go down to the bottom and hit Paste Edit Settings. After this, you get a loading bar in the top left, and you'll very satisfyingly get to watch your updates propagate across the photos. When they're all done, the loading bar will disappear, and you can drill into each one by double-clicking it, or clicking on the single image preview on the bottom left, and then you can adjust it to however you like. I find this super helpful because it kind of gives you a baseline rather than the flat images that you get out of camera, and reduces the amount of steps that I have to do to get the final image. Being a Sony shooter, I do like to underexpose, so this means that I can get all the images into Lightroom, even just quickly slap an exposure increase on there, and then paste it across all of the images from the shoot, and then I'll go through them and filter them all. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please do put them in the comments. Please subscribe or like the video if you enjoyed. I will be posting more content. If you have anything you'd like to learn or want to know about, please do let me know so I can make content about it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.